सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 179, verse 146. न जानामि किमप्येतत् इत्यन्ते शरणं तव अत एव महान्तोऽस्य प्रबदन्तीन्द्रजालताम्। From 104 sloka onwards up to 209, the topic of Ishvara is going on. The Ishvara is none other than Maya Sahitam Brahma, consisting of three components. One is Adhara Chaitanyam, another is Abhasa Chaitanyam, third one is Maya medium. The Maya medium is a upadhi for Brahman to reflect the Abhasa Chaitanyam. Brahman is the Adhara Chaitanyam. The reflection reflecting in the Maya is called Abhasa Chaitanyam. The medium where the reflection is formed is called Maya. Maya Pratibimba Chaitanyam Ishvaraha. Maya medium, reflected Chaitanyam is Abhasam. The original consciousness is Adhara Chaitanyam. As long as the reflection is there in the Maya Upadhi, so long the Ishvara is available. You have to understand the reflection formed in the Maya is Abhasa Chaitanyam called Ishvara. Since Abhasa Chaitanyam reflecting in the Maya is Mithya, Ishvara is also Mithya from the standpoint of Adhara Chaitanyam. Ishvara is also unreal from the standpoint of Adhara Chaitanyam, the Brahman original. But Ishvara is Satyam from Vyavaharika standpoint. Ishvara is Satyam from Vyavaharika Drishtya. Therefore, Ishvara is known as Vyavaharika Satyam. Since Jivatma is also Vyavaharika Satyam, Jivatma, who is Vyavaharika Satyam, perform the Vyavaharika Puja for Vyavaharika Ishvara. Vyavaharika Satya Jiva Atma Upasaka perform the Vyavaharika Puja, Archana, Abhishekam for not Nirgunam Brahma. Formless Nirgunam Brahma you cannot do Abhishekam because all pervading. Even Ishvara is also all pervading but Sagunam. Therefore you can offer Abhishekam, you can do Archana, you can do Puja for Vyavaharika Ishvara. Until you understand this Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam, you continue your Ishvara Puja. To get Adhara Chaitanya Jnanam, may you hold on to Abhasa Chaitanya Ishvara. After understanding Adhara Chaitanyam, don't drop Ishvara. Keep Ishvara. Show your gratitude. Thanksgiving puja. Thanksgiving puja, Archana, Abhishekam, you continue. You need not say, I am a God man. There is no Vishnu. There is no Shiva. There is no Brahma. There is no God at all. You need not say. Because the who is talking, the God man, need not negate the Vyavaharika Ishvara. You, the God man, is Vyavaharikam. Why you have to negate that Ishvara, that God? See, confusion. People associate with one Maharaj, Guru, and attend 4 or 5 classes and be a right hand to that Maharaj and become gurus later without studying Shastra and come outside and confuse the people and cause a lot of disturbance in the society. So therefore, when we talk Ishvara is Mithya, here only for understanding, not to negate totally. As long as you are in Vyavaharika Prapancha, body, mind complex, Ishvara must be there. Ishvaratvam, Ishvarahood, Ishvara status, Ishvara reality, Ishvara nature, Ishvara existence, Paramarthika Drishtya, they are unreal, means not that you have to throw away the Ishvara. Because of which Ishvara you have come to Adhara Chaitanyam. Without that Ishvara you cannot come to Adhara Chaitanyam. Therefore, never get confused or get confused. Be careful, be in Shastra all the time. Otherwise, there is a lot of chances to go astray from the Shastra and you get confused and you confuse thousands of people. If you leave the Shastra, you are in the cyclone like. That is why you can, you can exploit people, cheat people for some time at some place. Not all the time, but not all people. Anyone can cheat or exploit people at some place, at some particular time. At some people only they can do. Not all people, all the time, at all places. Because that is illogical. Whatever you talk, one day or other, it will be proved. Therefore, whoever talks illogically, that will be proved one day or other. Therefore, be always Shruti, Yukti, Anubhava should go together. Shruti, Yukti, Anubhava. So, Maya is inexplicable. When we say the world created by God, Ishvara is the creator of this universe. What is this universe? Universe is Maya. Maya means not experientially non-existing, but inexplicable in spite of experiential existence is there. Never ask the nature of this creation. What is the nature of creation? Inexplicable. What is the cause of creation? Inexplicable. Is there existence of this creation? Inexplicable. Sadasad vilakshanam. You cannot say it is there, you cannot say it is not there. Why? Since it is experientially there, therefore you cannot say it is not there. Since it is experientially there, you cannot say it is not there totally, like muil kombu madri, rabbit horn madri, non-existent, ever non-existent you cannot say. Because you never see the rabbit horn, therefore you can say non-existent. Like that you cannot say the world is non-existent, because you are experiencing. Therefore it is not total absent. It is not total non-existence. Therefore you cannot say asat. If you say sat, it is negatable after enquiry. It is negatable after inquiry. Trikala na sat. All the 3 periods of time it is not there. Therefore, it is not real totally. It is not real totally. That is why we said it is neither sat nor asat. It is different from sat and asat. It is different from sat and asat. Vilakshanam. Different. From what? Sat and asat. Therefore, sadasat vilakshanam. What is sadasat vilakshanam? Whatever is inexplicable, experientially there, whatever is inexplicable, that is sadasat vilakshanam. Therefore, if you go on inquire into that, you will say, I don't know further. Who talks about the Big Bang theory? From Big Bang only, there was a Big Bang. Something happened in the creation, in the cosmic juice, like, it is floating. Something happened, something joined together, Big Bang, and everything has come out, they say. After Big Bang, everything has come out, they say. Science. Then we ask, when it has started Big Bang? The Big Bang time is what? Don't ask, they say. Don't ask. When it has started Big Bang, don't ask. What is the cause of Big Bang? Don't ask. Big Bang, don't take another bank. Okay. Indian Bank, State Bank, B-A-N-G, Bang, Big Bang. What is the cause of Big Bang? Don't ask. 1/1,000,000 seconds before of Big Bang, what was there if you ask? 1/1,000,000 seconds before of Big Bang, what was there? Tell me. If you ask that people who are talking about Big Bang, don't ask. 1/1,000,000 seconds, millions of seconds before Big Bang, what was there? You tell me. If we ask, they say don't ask. That's what I am saying, Maya. That is what we are also saying, Maya. What was there before Big Bang? Don't ask, you are telling it is inexplicable. That's what Maya I am calling. What you cannot explain is called Maya. When I say Maya, you are telling I am escaping by saying Maya. By saying Big Bang, what is the Big Bang theory? Singularity. The singularity is the theory. What is the singularity? Don't ask. Inexplicable. But நீ பேசினா நன்னா இருக்கும். சயின்டிஸ்ட்னோ நம்ம பேசினா மாயான்னு சொன்ன you are escaping ன்னு சொல்லுவான். What you are talking singularity, I am saying Maya. There is no people one day or other you say I don't know. Don't ask Nana, I don't know. Inexplicable. So that is what he says. Na janami kimapi etat kim iti na janami. So one point or other you have to say I don't know further. I don't know further. I don't know further. Anavastha dosha comes. This is called Anavastha dosha. I don't know further. This is the Sharanam for you. You have to resort to what statement? I don't know. Sharanam tava. That statement alone is the Sharanam for you. Enna nee appaditha solli ahanam. We, the Siddhantin, tells a person, when you ask the logical explanation of the creation is illogical. I want a logical explanation of this universe. Modern children, they are asking, I want a logical explanation of this creation. You are doing puja at home. And your son come and asks, why you are doing puja? I am doing puja to the Lord. Who is that Lord? He is the creator of this creation. He is the creator of this creation. Daily you are breaking one coconut. And this boy is looking at you and he asks, who is this creator? Why he did this creation? And because you are a mother of that boy, 18-year-old boy, since you are a mother, you don't want to argue with you further. He knows that you don't know. Why to disturb Amma? Let her continue her puja. She is happy with that puja. But the boy go on asking inside. My mother said, God created the world. Creation is because of God. Who is this God? Why he did creation? What is the logic behind this? What is the logic behind this? And that's why he never or she never shows the interested, total devotion, shraddha towards God. For your sake they come and do namaskara. By their namaskara itself you come to know with how much shraddha they are doing. For your sake they do namaskara. Not with full love and affection they come and do namaskara. I don't want hurt my mother. I don't want hurt my father. They feel so bad if I don't do namaskara. They do that. But internally their intellect is questioning what is the logic behind. So they go on asking questions and all. They can never arrive at any answer because the logical explanation about the creation, that question is itself illogical. The logical explanation that your intellect is demanding about the creation is illogical. How can you get a logical explanation when your doubt itself is illogical? For illogical doubt, for illogical question, can there be a logical explanation? That is why they are all becoming neutral. They are neither Nastikas nor Astikas. That is why they are neither Nastikas nor Astikas. They are going to a luxurious life. Let us enjoy. There is no punya, there is no papa, I don't believe this God creation and all. But I am not a Nastika, not Astika also. I enjoy as long as I live. Bread and butter. I give importance to bread and butter. Shelter, clothes. Enough. I don't require any God for this sake. For bread and butter, why God is required? I am working, I am getting dollars. I am working hard, I am getting, and everything I am going on. Therefore, why God? They are asking logically, nobody is ready to give answer. Therefore, I am not for that God worship and all. But with intellectual doubts, they continue like that only. They continue. Because no one is there to give answer. They want logical proof. For illogical creation, there is no logicality in creation. What is the purpose of creation? Don't ask. For everything you are shutting my mouth. What is the purpose of creation? I asked this question 35 years back. One great teacher. He said, no purpose. He said, no purpose. But I was not satisfied with that answer. Since he is a great teacher, I respected him. Okay, there is no purpose. Why? This is the question I asked him straight away. What is the purpose of this creation? Straight away he gave the answer, no purpose. Then why creation? I didn't ask him. Then my mind, intellect is questioning, why this creation when there is no purpose? So like this, when I asked, that answer didn't satisfy me, pacify me. I am not happy with that answer also. But no explanation for that. Therefore, you have to understand a lot Before asking the question, what is the creation? Shastra says, first understand, is there a creation? Don't ask about the creation. I do not know, there was no creation that time. I was thinking there was a creation, there is a creation, there will be creation, therefore I asked him. Once I know there is no creation at all, this question will come. What is the purpose of creation? At that time I do not know. After studying Shastra only I come to know there is no creation. Then I cannot ask now, is there any purpose of creation? Now I cannot ask. If it is existent only I can ask, is there purpose? What is the nature of creation? Irundadane first existence prove panna mudiyala. And the nature cause பத்தி எதுக்கு சர்ச்சை, discussion. What is the nature of creation? Number one, what is the cause of this creation? To answer that question, first fulfill my first question. Is there a creation? Is there a creation first? Vedantin is asking. Is there a creation? You first prove. Then I will talk about the cause and nature. Once you give answer to this logically, then only the question comes, nature, cause. The first question itself is out, because you can never prove the existence of the creation, because there is no creation. Then what is this? Then what is this in front of it? You are thinking it is creation. You analyze each object one by one object in front of you. There is no such an object at all. There is no such an object at all. Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. Brahma eva satyam. Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. Whole thing is only namke vasti, rupa, nama. They are appearance. Brahma eva satyam. That Brahman you are. Understand, you have to travel a lot. It is not so easy. Atayeva mahantaha, the great people, mahantaha asya indrajalatam pravadanti. Therefore, wise people, scripturally learned people, supported by Shastra, they conclude this world is like an Indrajalam. It is like a magic. What is magic? Appears, on inquiry it disappears. It appears like a magic, like a magician's magic it appears. On inquiry, it loses its existence. Indrajalavat. That is why you also do enquiry. How? Through Shastra. Shastra alone is Adharam. Not any local godman. Okay. Not any local godman. Prove that creation. You yourself go through the Shastra with the help of the teacher. Try to understand the teacher's teachings. Then you come to get the answer for this creation is really existent or not. Until that time, Purumaya Samatta Ukarndi Ked. Listen to the Shastra. Drop your ego first. Okay. The ahamkara you drop, aham remains. Brahma aham eva satyam sarvam mithya. Jagrat vekar alone is satyam, swapna prapancha sarvam satyama mithya. Mithya. Who is satyam in the whole dream? Who is satyam in the whole dream? All I am not able to clearly listen. If you are saying Vekar alone is Satyam, you are right. Waker is the Satyam for whole dream. If Waker is not there, no dreamer. Therefore, Waker is the Satyam upon whom the whole dream is resting. Similarly, the whole Prapancha is another dream resting on the Chaitanyam Brahma. Don't say dream is resting on Brahman. Okay. That is the ultimate Satyam. For local dream, Pradhibhasika Swapnam, resting upon the Waker. Waker is resting upon the Paramarthikam Brahma Adhara Chaitanyam. Okay. Now, we'll read the Shloka 147. Etasmat kimivendrajalamaparam yadgarbhavasasthitam retaschetati hastamastakapadam prodbhutananankuram paryayena shishutva yauvanajara veshairanekai पश्यत्यत्ति शृणोति जिग्रथि तथा गच्छत्यथा गच्छति Suddenly Vidyaranya changed the meter to change the tune. Maya is coming with more multifarious colors. That's why he want to draw our attention. Therefore, he changes the meter. See, Indrajalam, what Indrajalam you require than this? He is asking. I want to show you one Indrajalam. Than this, what other Indrajalam magic is required? Maya is required. Now you explain me about this Indrajalam. What is that? He is talking about the Retas onwards, the fetus forming and the individual growing. Everything. Is it not a big Indrajalam? He is asking. Look into the shloka. Etasmat kim Indrajalam aparam Indrajalam. Other than this Indrajalam, what you require any other Indrajalam other than this? What is this Indrajalam? Yad garbhavasasthitam. In that garbhavasa, the retas is entering and converting as a fetus growing in mother's womb. Etat yat garbhavasasthitam retaha. In the mother's womb, the Purusha Bijam, which is there, it is a magic. It is a big magic. Indrajalam retaha. Purusha Bijam, that which is sthitam, it is there in the mother's womb. It is a great magic. Chetati, that retas which is in the mother's womb getting a life. Prana, it is getting. Chetati means it becomes consciousness. It starts moving in the womb of the mother. How this consciousness has entered that retas, which is in the mother's womb? Tell me, what magic you require than this? What magic you require? Amazing. Yesterday I read in newspaper one news item. One lady, 23-year-old lady, was pregnant And the 9th month over, 10th month, she got pains, and a remote village where there was no hospital at all, in Andhra somewhere, that no hospital, no doctor is available, and she has home delivery. She has delivered a female baby, and the baby is healthy, mother also healthy. The delivery is over. After 4 days, this lady has got pains again. Then the family members are all wondering, well, delivery over, baby has come, baby is alive, baby is healthy, and mother also healthy. Again she is getting pains. Then immediately they thought something happened for her, and they took her on the dolly to a nearby village where doctor is available. When they called, the doctor came and tested her. There is another baby in the womb. Since that baby is more weight, 2 kgs, the baby born who is only 1 kg, 1.5 kg, this baby is 2.5 kgs, that's why not delivered immediately. After 4 days, again she got pains and she went to doctor. They have delivered another baby, a healthy baby with 2.5 kgs weight. And baby is healthy, mother is also healthy. After 4 days, another baby born. What Indrajalam you want more than this? Yesterday only I read in the newspaper. Doctors also surprised. We have never seen such a case. This is the first time. Is it not Indrajalam? Doctors, we can few hours later another baby can come, but not after 4 days. After 4 days delivery, doctors were surprised. Why? How it has happened? Doctors also look. The Bhagavan Mahimai. Adida Maya Devi. Indrajalavat. Garbha yat garbhavasastitam retaha chetati. Chetati means consciousness, alive, living principle. There is a Upanishad called Garbhopanishad. Garbhopanishad, gynecology Upanishad and Artha. Even Aitareya Upanishad also we are going to see. That's why when they are talking this Garbhopanishad, Aitareya Upanishad and all, pregnant women, they never allow to listen, to hear that Upanishad, that words. Here also any pregnant woman is there, go out and Artha. I hope nobody is there. So, yat garbhavasastitam retaha chetati, become live principle. Then what happens once it become live? Hasta, hands are coming slowly. Then mastaka, the shiras is formed, head is formed. Pada, hastaka, pada means pada, the 2 feet. Prodbhuta nanankuram. Prodbhuta means just as the sprouts of a tree, ankuram, just as the sprouts of a tree comes, and like that this from this baby also, each organ is formed, one organ, hands, legs and head. Once they come, the head comes, again eyes are formed, nose is formed. It was what? It's like a dot. It was like a dot. Slowly that dot became sentient. Once it has become sentient, slowly small hands, small legs, small head. Have you seen that baby when it is forming in the womb? Picture of the pathalo. Or tail madri irukum. Or thala madri. Kannu mukku innu varala. Rundu indha pakka rendu epdiye kaamikum. Kaal rendu pakka kaamikum. Fulla kaalu varalu kuda varale. Fingers have not separately. Now ankuram, slowly everything comes. Thumb, forefinger, all fingers comes. And it is in the mother's womb. Yat garbhavasastitam retaha chetati hasta mastaka pada prodbhuta nanankuram. Then what? Paryayena. Then respectively, slowly, gradually, sequentially, paryayena means sequentially, What happened? Then that baby is born, delivered. Then what? Shishutva. The baby is called Shishu, month's baby. Shishutva. Same dot. Same dot Retas from the mother's womb has become Shishu with all ankurams, sprouts, hands, legs, eyes, nose, ears. And Shishutva, babyhood. Then Yauvana, adolescence. Jara, old age. Some same dot Retas has come to old age. Jara. Vesha anaikaihi vratam. Manifested, modified vratam. There is one repa should be there. Vru on top. On the vrikara top, repa kombu must be there. Vratam. Vratam. Anekaihi vratam. Anekair vratam. So appearances. Veshaihi. Anekaihi means appears surrounded by. Vratam means surrounded by. This same Retas which was there in the mother's womb, all are this. Old age is also potentially there in that. Adolescence was also there in potentially there. Sisutvam also there potentially. Legs, hands, head, everything was there in potential in that Retas. Then slowly they have come into manifestation. Anekaihi vratam. Paryayena, sequentially, in order. First Jara, then Yavana, Sishua. Agada Paryayena. Shishutvam, Yavanatvam, Jara. Like that sequentially they have come. Then after coming out, Pashyati. Sishu opens the eyes. Then we all waiting. இன்னும் கண்ணு திறக்கலையே. அது வந்த உடனே பிகாஸ் மதர் ஊமில் ரொம்ப டார்க்காக இருக்கும், அதனால நல்ல கோஸியாக இருக்கும். ஒன்ஸ் இட் கம்ஸ் அவுட் சைட் தட் மெட்டர்னிட்டி, இந்த லேபர் ரூமில் லாட் ஆஃப் லைட்ஸ். ஆஃப்டர் சீயிங் தட் லைட்ஸ் சடன்லி தட் பேபி என்னமோ வெளிச்சமாக இருக்கு, கண் அப்படியே திறந்துடும். ஓப்பன்ஸ் த ஐஸ். பஷ்யதி. தென் வாட்? அத்தி. ஆஃப்டர் சம் டைம் குயின்னு கத்தும், பசி. அத்தி ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் மில்க். லேட்டர் இட்லி சாம்பார், அது வேறு. ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அத்தி, தென் ஸ்ருணோதி. Then you do like this, the baby turns the head. Then you want to test the baby is having hearing power or not. So you do like this, baby turns the head and you clap. Look at me. And if baby won't look, immediately you take to the doctor. Shrunoti. Pashyati. Atti. Shrunoti. என்ன நமக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியாதா என்ன? இதுக்கு வித்யாரண்யம் சொல்லணும். நமக்கு இது இந்திரஜாலமனி we never bother. We are interested in only what? பும்சவனம், கர்ப்பாதானம், அதுக்கப்புறம் அன்னப்பிராசன, அதுக்கப்புறம் சோழம், கேசகண்டன, கர்ணவேதனா, இதுல நம்ம பிஸி. We are not thinking about இந்திரஜாலம். வித்யாரண்ய thinks about not கேசகண்டனா கர்ணவேதனா. கேசகண்டன கர்ணவேதனை தெரியுமோ? Removing the hair for the first time. காதுக்கு எல்லாம் தோடு போடுறது இதெல்லாம். பீப்புள் ஆர் பிஸி லைக் தட். வித்யாரண்ய பிஸி வித் வாட்? என்ன இந்திரஜாலம், அவர் ஒரு இந்திரஜாலமா பார்க்கிறாரு. நம்ம we are busy in printing what? Invitation. Shrunoti, pashyati, atti, shrunoti, jigrati, smells. It knows, touch also. Mother's touch it knows. It smells immediately. And afterwards எல்லாமே வாயில் வச்சுக்கும். ஒன்றும் இல்லை, எல்லாமே வாயில் வச்சுக்கும். It eats everything. Jigrati tadha gacchati agacchati. Comes and goes, moves here and there, then later permanently goes. What an Indrajalam. By that time you are knowing it is Indrajalam, it is over. Vidyaranya asking, more than this, other than this, what Indrajalam you require? Tell me how this is happening. Now you explain. After birth only doctors are doing all delivery, everything, plastic surgery, 2 heart, 1 heart, twin babies எல்லாம் பிறந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே பண்றான். பிறந்ததுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படி நடக்கிறது இந்த மெக்கானிசம்? ந ஜானாமி தவ சரணம். That's why after formation only, that's why they are struggling to form a baby. When they don't have children, doctors are struggling to give that pregnancy to that woman by so many methods. Utter failure. One lady used to come from all the way Australia. Many treatments she has undergone, no child. கும்பிடாது, கடவுளே கிடையாது. எல்லா கடவுள் கும்பிட்டு அந்த அம்மா டயர்ட் ஆஃப். Second child she was struggling. One child she has got already. Second child she is crying, but she is not able to get in spite of doctors' efforts. So much effort. Lakhs and lakhs of rupees they are spending. Why doctor couldn't create? Tell me. What is the magic? Same woman, when she has got first baby, son, grown up, 17-year-old, after that she want another child. Why? I don't know, I want. No doctor is able to give. Every state almost she has covered. Every doctor almost. Ayurveda, allopathy, homeopathy, everything. None of the doctor is able to give that child, second child. And she is crying. நான் என்ன பாபம் பண்ணிட்டேன் என்னட்டு கேட்குறான். What sin I have done, Swamini? Please tell me some parihara. I have to say Maya. If I say Maya, she will slap at my cheek. Therefore, I should not say Maya. You pray. No one can answer. Na janami. Maya. That is what. Next shloka. Not only this human body, growing fetus and all. Want to talk of banyan tree. Adayar alamaram. வித்யாரண்யர் எங்கேயோ சிருங்கேரியிலோ இருக்காரு. இங்கே அடையார் ஆலமரம் எப்படி அவருக்கு ஞாபகம் வந்தது தெரியல. நான் சும்மா சொல்றேன், அவர் கேட்கல. அந்த வடவருஷம் பத்தி பேசுறார் பாருங்க. தேஹவத்வடதானாதௌ சுவிசார்யம் விலோக்யதாம் வதானா குத்ர வா விருக்ஷஹ தஸ்மான் மாயேதி நிஷ்சினோ தஸ்மான் மாயேதி. See, the human species are coming from human bodies. The first, when Bhagavan started creation, the first parents, the parents, first baby to come, this baby came from my parents. Baby has come from parents, we are telling. But how that parents have come? From their parents. How that parents have come? And the first parent, how it has come? சும்மா இந்த கேள்வி அவர் சொல்லலை, நான் கேட்குறேன். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேரண்ட் வரதுக்கு அது ஒரு மேஜிக் தானே. ஒரு பேரண்ட் வரணும்னா அந்த ரேத்தஸ் ஸ்பேஸ் இருந்தால் தானே பேரண்ட் சைல்டு வரும் இல்லையா? இந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு அப்பா அம்மா எங்கேருந்து வரோம்? அது எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகிடுது? எப்போ திங்க் பண்ணல சொல்ல பண்ணல. ஏன்னா அது மாயா. யூ ஒன்ட் கெட் ஆன்சர். ஜஸ்ட் ஐம் ஆஸ்கிங் யூ. இந்த அப்பா அம்மாலேருந்து அந்த ரேத்தஸ் எத்து கர்ப்பவாசம் ஸ்திதம். இந்த கர்ப்பவாச ஸ்திதத்துக்கு வரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த ரேத்தஸ் எந்த அப்பாலேருந்து வருதோ அம்மா எங்கிருந்து வந்திருக்கா ஃபர்ஸ்ட்? ஹவு தே ஹவ் கம்? ஹவு தட் ஃபீட்டஸ் ஹேஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு? ஹவு த ஐஸ் ஹெட்ஸு லெக்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்தது? வாட் வாஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கர்ப்பம்? சுவாமினி இதுக்குள்ள பசிக்கும், அப்புறம் தூக்கம் வரும். தட்ஸ் வாட் பகவான் கெப்ட் பசி தாகம். ஏன்னா நீங்க பசி தாகம் வைக்கலான்னு திங்க் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பேன். அது பகவான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாருன்னா, நீ இதெல்லாம் திங்க் பண்ணாதே, அதுக்குள்ள திங்க் பண்ணுறதுக்குள்ள யூ வில் கெட் டயர்ட்னஸ், இதர் ஹெட்டேக்கு, அதுக்குள்ள பசி வந்துடும். தென் யூ கோ டு கிச்சன் டு ட்ரிங்க் வாட்டர். பை த டைம் யூ ஃபர்கெட் திஸ். Again you start thinking. That is why, அதுக்கு தான் சுவாமி நான் இப்போ விட்டுட்டேன். ஏன் நான் திங்க் பண்ணுறதே விட்டுட்டேன். எனக்கு வந்தது இதெல்லாம் டவுட்டு, எப்படிதான் வருதுன்னு நான் விட்டுட்டேன். அதுதான் சாஸ்திரம் சொன்ன, டோன்ட் திங்க் இட் சே இட் இஸ் மாயா, தட்ஸ் ஆல். டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் கிளியர்லி யூ ஹாவ் டு ஓன் அப், claim you are Brahman. Otherwise your intellect will remain in confusion with doubts. Doubt-free mind comes only through knowledge. All questions are answered to that intellect. Which intellect claim aham brahmasmi. அவனுக்கு தவிர யாருக்குமே தெரியாது. ஒரு ஞானிக்கு மட்டும்தான் இந்த உலகம் என்னன்னு தெரியும், மற்ற யாருக்குமே தெரியாது உலகத்தில். புரியறத? அப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. சப்போஸ் யூ நோ Swamini, please tell us. It is not a thing just to share. You have to understand. You have to claim. You have to do threadbare analysis into Shastra. Never go for any other thing other than Shastra. If you go for any other thing other than Shastra, you can never get it. Your intellect will remain with a lot of doubts, and you will move with some time with Anatma and go away. You pass to the tomb. With a lot of confusions, you go away. But some mature people, we don't want anything. We want, what is this? Let us know. Shastra says, I am helping for those people. Those who come to me, I help them. But nobody is coming to me completely, totally. Shastra Mata says, if anyone comes totally without having anything outside expectation, anything, even wee bit, in an iota of desire for Anatma, if you drop only, I clarify your doubt. But யார் வரமாட்டானே, அந்த அளவுக்கு வரவதுக்கு you have require a tremendous tapas. Tapas means you are in a different world. You must be in a different world. And don't see எங்கேயோ பார்க்க கூடாது. இப்படி பார்த்தனே நான் டிஃபரெண்ட் வேர்ல்டு, இது இல்லை டிஃபரெண்ட் வேர்ல்டு. லுக் இன் டு த வேர்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் சாஸ்திரா, தரோ அனாலிசிஸ். அதான் சொல்றாரு பாருங்க. விலோக்கியதாம் சுவிச்சாரிய விலோக்கியதாம். மே யூ டூ ப்ராப்பர் என்கொயரி through the study of scriptures with the help of Guru. You have to do that. Dehavat, like a body, vata dhanadau. Dhana means that seed of that banyan tree. Vata means banyan tree. Its seed is called dhana. Vata dhanadau. Kva dhana? Kutra va vrikshaha. Where is this seed? Vriksha enge, seed enge anu kekrar. Kva dhana? Very small seed. Banyan seed is very, very small. And the vriksha is the Mahavriksha. My God, it is spreading all over with branches, leaves, main root, mother root, secondary roots and roots and roots. It is spreading. We used to come all the way from Andhra when we were young to go to Adayar, special visit. At the visiting spot, you know, Alamaram, Adayar Alamaram, இப்படி இருக்கோ இல்லையோ தெரியல, இருக்கா? We used to go and see Adayar Alamaram, பெரிய ட்ரீ, அந்த தியோசாபிக்கல் சொசைட்டியில் இருக்கும். ஒரு சின்ன பீஜம், இவ்வளவு பீஜம், இவ்வளவு பெரிய தானா quacha vriksha. Where is this seed? Where is this tree? How big it is? My God. Vidyaranya asking. See, kvadhana Kutra va vriksha? Where is this big seed? Vriksha, where is this small seed? Tasmat Maya iti nischino. This is called Maya. How is it possible? That means this big vriksha must be there in this small seed. Mother root also was there in potential form. Secondary roots also were there in potential form in this seed. Branches are also were there in this seed potential form. Leaves are also must be there in this seed. Fruits and flowers are also was there in the seed in potential form. How? Nischinu. May you understand. Ni plus chi dhatu. Nischinu. Nischayam kuru. May you confirm. How? Vilokyatam. By enquiry. Vilokyatam means may you see. By suvicharya, by enquiry, not by sitting in front of TV or magazine or daily paper. You never get it. Understand? Sometime cricket match, koncham neram tennis match, koncham neram chess match. Adukapram kitchen, dining table. Either we are in dining table or on the bedroom, in the bedroom or in front of TV or in front of computer. How much time we are in front of Shastra? Tell me. How much time we are in front of Guru? How much time we are doing Shravanam? How much time we are doing Mananam? Our time, precious time, we are spending in front of TV, computer with other things and all. Where is the time for people to spend? Tell me. But everything nanna puriyuduma. Eppadi puriyum? As you think, so you become. If you think, if you understand Shastra, you can understand. ஒன்றுமே பண்ண மாட்டோம். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் எப்போ வருமோ வரும் வந்தப்போ வரும் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜென்மாலோ. ஓகே. நிருக்தாவபிமானம் ஏம் தததே தார்க்கிகாதயः हर्षमिश्रादिभिस्ते तु खण्डनादौ सुशिक्षिताः. Don't mistake me. I am criticizing. Not I am criticizing you. You are all good because you are all Panchadashi students. I am talking about the people, normally they are sitting at home and watching TV programs and all, they are thinking they are intelligent. They know everything. If we also do like that and thinking we know everything, he who knows not and knows not, he knows not. Even a foolish fellow, even he who knows not and thinks he knows. More dangerous. Now, Nirukta abhimanam te. Nirukta means those who want to talk about this creation, utpatti, they have lot of abhimana. Abhimana means what? Ahankara. Who are they? Tarkikadayaha, Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Buddha, Bodha, everyone. One person says Satkaryavada. One person says Asatkaryavada. Another person says Aghatavada. Another person says no Vada. So all these are confused people. What they say, that is why they say abortion is not allowed in any religion. You understand? Once the fetus is taken place and the baby and the cheta and the consciousness is there, the jiva is there inside. Prana is there, no, live being is there inside. If you do abortion, it is called Bhruna Hatya, Maha Papam. If abortion is a specialist, abortion is very common. Abortion is Maha Papam according to all religions. We are not supposed to kill the baby. So, what these people say, Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaiseshika, people, They are called different types. Parinamavada, Satkaryavada, Sankhya philosopher. And this Asatkaryavadi is means non-existent. Cause was non-existent. Newly it comes Arambhavada. In Brahma Sutra we have completed the same topic. So like this they go on arguing Tarkika Adayaha. Adayaha means Tarkika, Nayayika plus Sankhya, Vaisheshika and other Bauddha. Those people. Sanghatavada is of Buddha, Bauddham. So all these vadas, they argue, ye dhadate, abhimanam dhadate. They want to establish this creation was there before its emergence or it was not there. It was there before its emergence. This creation was there before its emergence. Sankhyavadi. Then Nayayika comes and says, this creation was not there before creation. Therefore, he is also arguing. Even illen cholra, avan irkan cholra. Ille idi parinamam varade enna. Even ille pundusa arambham enna. In the part before it is coming, was it there in clay or not? Sankhyavadi says it is there. Parinamam. Nayayika says pot was not there, newly born. What do we say? Pot is not there at all. That's what we say. So Tarkikadayaha dadate ye abhimanam. Niruptau means with regard to the creation, they do lot of arguments. Dadate means they hold on. They hold on to their views. This is correct, this is correct. They hold on to their views. That is why these all views are refuted by one author called Harsha Mishradhibhihi Te Tu. Even these Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Bauddha, all of them are refuted by, not refuted, they are all converted into pieces. Khandana Khanda Kadyaha. Na Khanda Kandama Pandi Kadita. He has taken, eaten Madri. Adi Oru Kavyam. Khandana Khanda Kadya is not a Kavyam, but is a text written by Harsha Mishra. Harsha Mishra wrote a book called Khandana Khanda Kadyaha. He made all of them into pieces and put in the water and drank an ardham. Kadyaha. That means what? He has refuted all of them by using their own logical terms. From their own logical terms, he has refuted all of them. In 140th sloka, they have given in footnote, 140th sloka, he refutes Khandana Khanda Kadyaha ane oru grandham. Adila, all philosophers who are all talking about the creation before it was there or not, all these were refuted. If you are interested, you read that book. Purinja Parungo. Okay. Like this, so many discussions. Next in the Khandanadau Susikshitaha. Khandanadau means that etc. books like that. These philosophers were all discussed and refuted. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.